Welcome to Localize. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Announcements tool in your project. Use it to facilitate communication within your team with general announcements or specific tasks, and @mention specific users to notify them of a task. The Project Overview page is where you'll be able to see and create your announcements. You'll also see important announcements from the Localize team, such as this one, which is seen after first getting your project set up. And here we see an announcement created by a team member welcoming translators to the project. You create your own announcements by clicking on Write an Announcement. Enter a subject and your announcement, and click Post. If you want, you can use @mentions to notify a specific user in the post. An email notification will be sent to all members of the team informing them of the announcement. To reply to a post, simply click on Write a Reply and start typing. Click the Send button to send the reply, or simply press Enter or Return on your keyboard. If necessary, you can edit a post or a reply by clicking on the pencil icon. You can also delete any posts or replies that you have created by clicking on the trash icon. If needed, you can limit who can use the Announcements feature by changing their permissions on the team page. We hope that you will find many uses for the Announcements feature.